Are you ready to read, write, roar? Well, we are. My name is Tara Hardy. I'm the Director of Early Learning, and today I'm going to show you how to use this free resource. You can go to michiganlearning.org to download any literacy book. The one that I'm showing you today is for early learners. This one has all of the characters you know and love from PBS Kids in a partnership with Michigan Learning Channel. What I'd like to have you do is to look through the book to see some great stuff, but what I want to draw your attention to is the pages that have QR codes on the front. What you do with this Read, Write, Roar activity is you will scan this with your phone or any sort of tablet that you have at home. It will take you directly to a Read, Write, Roar preschool video. Your child will learn right along with you the same way that they are learning how to read in the classroom, because all of this content is aligned with Michigan's literacy standards. So as your child watches the video, this is an activity that enhances what they're learning and teaching in the video. So this particular one teaches them how to write the letter M. And there are all kinds of, there's 12 videos for preschool. There are also videos for kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade, all free to you. And this is the book that you use.